Atkins here, Elite Series Pro. We just got done rigging my 2025 Skeeter FXR20 at SonarPros. I'm just going to give you a quick rundown of my setup this year. Running a 14-inch bobs with the matte black 8-foot power poles, Blade Series. These poles are great. I love 8-footers. I've thought about running 10s, but man, the 8s are just so tight and they do such a great job. I'm going to continue running them. On the trolling side, we have two 3660 Powerhouse lithiums. And then on the cranking side, I have a AGM here, and then I have a 16140 for my units. For dedicated power, I have a switch that Trent rigs up here where if I were to have some kind of issue, I can finish the day out on the AGM, so I can toggle back and forth. We have a running gun for the 16. We have a running gun for the 36s. That's going to allow that Yamaha to put all that amperage out. It's going to divide that out and keep my stuff charged while I'm running around. We have a 3-bank Powerhouse lithium charger. One that's dedicated for 12, one that's for the 16, and one that's for the 36. It's really cool to be able to have all that into one charger. And then as we move forward, we've got Bassmaster technology mounts. We're running an Apex 13 here, an Apex 13 here, new Skeeter control center. That's been really cool. We've been checking that out today. I'm running the Bob's foot throttle. It seems to be super smooth. It looks awesome with that black anodize on it. When we come to the front, we're running another Apex 13. We have a 16-inch unit for our forward-facing sonar. The best trolling motor that's ever been made, a Minn Kota Quest. That thing is absolutely awesome. It drags this Skeeter around crazy fast. We have a 360, also another Bassboat technology mount. I run the heavy-duty gimbals. They just really keep everything tight and locked into place. And obviously we have our stomp buttons for our power poles. But this is going to be my setup. We got a 55-inch rule this year, so I wanted to maximize inches into my setup, and this is what I personally thought was going to end up being the best. And Trent's got dedicated power going to all of it through his harnesses. Super clean, super efficient. Looking forward to 2025.